and we're on a mission to go find me some paella, and find Joellen some gazpacho, and find her something else to eat that is non-seafood related. Or
just gazpacho's my mission. That's okay.
Or rabbit.
It's
So we're gonna see what we can do. We have a place.
ostrich.
Ostrich. So we'll see what happens. Oxtail.
Oxtail, yeah, there's a lot of that here. We
Our schedule
work
has
when
been-
everybody else is
Oh.
out having fun, and
Felt the raindrop. So our destination was closed. And now Joellen is on a mission to get us to a new destination. And she's not allowed to talk on this segment of the video. So we struck out on paella, and even the second place we checked out was like a takeaway paella place, but all three of their paella pans were empty. So we've now decided to go to a place called 100 Burger. So this is where we're at.
In-N-Out Burger and a picture of Shake Shack in the restaurant.
That's interesting for a burger.
Yeah, and the fact that it's Burning Man, so I don't know if some American showed up in Spain to open a restaurant.
Joellen's making fun of me because
Today's our last day out, and the weather's complying with us. We got a little raindrop, but this is our first time walking on this particular street. So,
she's not nice.
we are so nice. We just thought you might want to see this.
All right, that's enough.
What were you gonna
This
say?
is out.